Okay, I just finished up tapping the last 632 hole. Put that away real quick before I lose them. 632. So I don't know if you can see in the video, but there's some of the what do you call it? Shavings from the tapping process, chips. So there's a bunch of oil, there's some chips still down in the body of the holes for the threading. I made all my holes go all the way through the part, and the reason I did that is so I can blow compressed air and just shoot all that crud right out. The other thing is, if you notice or can see, even though I tapped them slow, I still have a little bit of a burr that formed on the top of these, where the plastic melted a little bit and reformed. Also, there's probably some pull out from the tapping process. So all I'm going to do is take a countersink and give it a quick spin like that, and that breaks off that little bitty burr. So just like that. Clean those up. Technically don't have to do this. I mean, the screw will go in just fine the way it is, but I just like to make it, make it look as nice as I can, since it's something that's going to be hopefully around for a while. So there's that. On the 440 holes, there really isn't anything there, so they're just getting a light touch, clean up anything that might be there. Okay, now I'm going to go blow all the holes out, and then I'll come back once that's done. Okay, that's done. Next, I'm going to work on mounting my strips onto this part. I gotta mount things on both sides, which is to make both sides not flat. So pick a side, and that's what I'm going with. So these are Euro style 12 position terminal strips. Do they have a size? They're 12, 12, 12 by Adleys, A-D-E-L-S. I got them from DigiKey. They're the smallest size Euro strips I could get. So let's see, I need some 440 screws. How long? Let's start here. 3/4? 3/4 looks too long. Go 5/8. So right now I'm just sort of sizing up the thread sticks through. I'd rather not have the screw go all the way through this plate if I can help it. So let's see. So these are 5/8 of an inch long. Oh, so there's my first problem. The heads are too big on these. So I either need a much longer screw, or I need a cap head. That's a flat head. Button head. Oh, I might not have any cap head screws. Ooh. Oh, that guy just barely works. So you can see how the head down there. I guess I'll go with those, because I don't have a lot of other options. So that screws down just like that. And repeat the process 3 times per strip for 3 strips. And hopefully nothing will ever go anywhere. And the good news is, even though I'm off by 0.5 millimeter from end to end, I was able to get all the screws in, and that's mounted up pretty good. I'm just going to sort of tack this one in quick. So I haven't fully screwed this one in yet because I need to put zip ties in between these blocks. Yeah, let's grab those. I'll just grab a handful of zip ties. So you see where the zip ties go in through these holes, and I'm not sure if I can. Oh, went through just fine. Okay, so I'm going to just go off camera, finish mounting all these, feed all my zip ties through just so they're there and out of the way. Or they're there ready to go when I need them, and then I don't have to try and wrestle with it. For the 25 position cable, I think I'm going to use these 2 blocks. So the cable will come up and go straight through here, and 24 of the wires will come up and spread to these blocks. Those 2 blocks, and then the 25th wire will snake over and just go into that screw terminal, for lack of a better place to put it. And then the 10 position cable will come up this guy. I'm not sure what I need from the top side, so on the bottom side I need a zip tie here and a zip tie here for sure. Top side I'm not sure. They go in pretty easy, so I may just leave them out until I'm ready to put them in, but I am going to put the middle ones in for now, just so if there's an issue with any of these holes, I can find it now before it's mounted on the machine. So screwing things on isn't super exciting, so I'll cut back in once that's done.